Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing the first STL of Patreon of the year on January 2024, part 1. I hope everyone had a great New Year's and the holidays and vacation, and a lot of you guys are still working through it. We'll be checking out some D&D, Warhammer, and figure prints that you can get as well. Anyhow, if you do like the video, subscribe, like, and share. The links for these Patreons will be down below. Subscribe, like, and share, and let's get to it. So we got Hero Infinite by Raging Heroes. We are getting Chaos proxies. Looks like it. I think some of these are for Age of Sigmar and 40k, but these are very good. I watched this multiple times, and I have a small Chaos army right now, so this would be some good ones to add into the army as well for corn. And it's really awesome and cool looking as well. I hope they have different heads because I don't like a lot of the female like heads that has their tongue sticking out. But we'll see for that as well. That one's okay with that tongue. There's one lot longer tongue stickage and stuff like that. But here this is very very well made for it. I think we had a couple other ones variation, but yep, blood for the blood god, skull for the skull throne. Oh yeah, amazing centerpiece for it, and you got bought the dragon back from the Warhammer Fantasy, I believe. Uh, but yeah, it's gonna be really cool looking ones. I think these are for mostly for Age of Sigmar though. But those demons you can use in both Sigmar and 40k. So this would be very interesting. And your freaking terrain pieces as well for your board to battle with and so forth. For $10, you have it all. Yeah. That's good. Uh, Next is Archvillain Games, another very good one as well. They do fantasy and sci-fi. Making sure that's December release. Making sure they have January release. I know they have January previews for it, like this big Ogortesque ogre, and you have goblins on top. That I'm probably gonna print for my game, and that'll be freaking awesome to have. Looks like a big ass troll. And some of these I might actually print for my game. This is something that I really want to play with. Oh, it's gonna be fun painting them, isn't it? With airbrush. The bigger they are, the more use of airbrush I'll do. The smaller I use a smaller brush. But I also gotta find out a very small, thinner brush for all of this as well. So we got goblins on a whole bunch of creatures like the bat. Got some trolls. Got a troll freaking gonna launch a horse at someone. Oh, that's gonna be interesting. Yeah, some more goblins. I do like these goblins a lot. They're really funny. Just painting them would be a different story. And you have a goblin dragon, looks like it. And a mutated goblin. Another troll. Goblin. I gotta buy some more resin, don't I? Got a bard. Looks like a fighter. Looks like a rogue or that. That's the preview for that. I think this is a preview for the sci-fi version. Oh, that looks cool. It looks like a mutated Tyranid. Oh, that'll be kind of cool print for my Tyranid army. Oh yeah, we're getting some Tyranid proxies. Looks like it right there. And you got genes. Looks like these look like mini gene stealers that comes out of the egg pus sac. Oh, that's gonna be awesome to get and paint. So much. See here. Oh yeah, let's see here. Yeah, that's it for now. But probably get some more juicy looking Tyranid looking things as well. Cyanide don't have anything yet. We might come back to this once they have more stuff for January. They usually don't towards like the end of the month for it. My mini mayhem. We got some skeletal dragon of some sort. Looks like an alien xenomorph from my mini monster. That looks like a xenomorph dragon. That'll be interesting. And you have a nice statue for it. Very creepy, anonymous. Don't mind having that shit. Okay, does that have any more stuff for it? No, that's it. That's the only preview they give us. Okay, probably see some more next time. Printed Obsession for this year. We got the Year of the Three Dragons. So the Asian. It looks like a European one. I think there's a Middle Eastern one. I don't know, but we have three dragons. But if you do enjoy it, Celestial Dragon, you have a Hell Dragon, and a Sky Dragon. The Hell Drake. Yeah. We have too many damn dragons. I'm surprised only three. Just getting only these three this year. Okay. Twin Goddess Miniatures. We have. Oh, we got Lizelle in the mix now. We got Lizelle, a fighter, a goblin artificer, I guess, because I was using a squirrel in a slingshot. I don't know. We have a little creature that's a spellcaster. We have a sorcerer. Don't know what that is. Probably a merfolk or a genasi. Merfolk, I'm guessing. But yeah, those are the ones for Twin Goddess. That would be kind of cool to have. We'll put Lizelle in the game. Okay, for January, we're getting a mix of Spelljammer. We got a couple elves that does a lot, like doing their certain crafts, woodworking, books, planting, weeding, music bard, scribe, drinkage, wizard caster, and we got some dragons as well. Figuring out which kind. This is a green dragon. That's a baby green dragon we're getting. Some kind of spellcaster for it. Another huge dragon. Dragon that shoots lightning. The only thing I know that is will be a blue dragon. I know a metallic dragon. One I don't know which color of metallic dragon that shoots lightning, but a lot of elves and dragons and a spelljammer ship. So if you're interested in all those three, that'd be great. We have some kind of weird looking displacer beast as well. Another elf for it. It looks like a some kind of fiendish Balor with a head of a bear. But there's a lot of stuff. We got tree ants. Looks like dryads. We're getting some dryads and some nymphs with big, tatas. A Triceratop dragon. Looks like a copper dragon, baby copper dragon right here. Fire elemental. Azers. We didn't have much Azers lately, but more Azers would be great. Don't know. Stegosaurus is it made love for the Earth Elemental. Looks like it. Earth Elemental. We got some kind of a Dino Warrior. It's like a Yoshi, like a very strong Yoshi. This looks like a Tarask. This is a Scad. Yeah, it gotta be a Scad. We have a gargantuan worm, whale. I mean, Wind Elemental. kind of Dow and the Water Gin. Uh, Water Nyth, I guess. Ifrit. I'm guessing a Fire Nyth. There's different elementals of nymphs too. People don't know about that. We got a Phoenix. Yeah, and that's 1 and 2. I bet there's gonna be a lot more for the previews for these, but they don't usually come out till like way later. Okay, RN Studio for January release. This will be it. If you do the tribal ones, you only get this on the tribal. For January, in the Patreon, you'll get these. You get the Transformers, Zero from Mega Man. Forgot the girl from Kingdom Hearts, and these monsters are from Monster Quest. And we have Robin. Forgot him. The Shark Dude from One Piece. Piccolo and Jury from Dragon Ball. Those would be it for January, and these will be your throwbacks right here. All the 557th character, because the game's coming out next month for the Rebirth. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much, and have a great day, guys. Bye.